Hello, I'm Vicki Worker, VP of Marketing for O3b Networks. I'm here with David Burr, Director of Product Development for O3b Networks, and David Leichner, VP of Corporate Marketing for Gilat Satellite Networks. We're here today to talk about cooperation between the established industry leader, Gilat Satellite Networks, and the new innovator, O3b Networks, with their visionary MEO constellation. This combination brings innovative, high-performance solutions to customers. So David, tell me a little bit about the relationship between the two companies.
The relationship between O3b and Gilat brings many benefits to customers. They have the benefit of Gilat's 25 years of experience, the mature, proven solutions, different industries, with the price and performance of O3b, allowing them to go into new geographies and new markets.
So David, tell me what O3b brings to the table for Gilat Satellite Networks.
Gilat is interested in working with O3b because O3b is bringing to the table an innovative network that allows end customers to improve the performance of the networks that they have, as well as to bring service providers and network operators the economies that they need in order to be able to expand their markets. Gilat brings to the table a long history of proven technology and solutions, the extensive industry experience that we have that allows operators to be able to innovate into the future.
When customers come to Gilat, why do you think they most often come to you?
When customers come to Gilat, I think they come to work with us primarily because of the extensive experience that we have. We also have localized support in many regions in the world, and because we're able to provide proven technology, turnkey solutions, and customized applications that meet their specific requirements.
So David Burr, what's truly new that O3b is bringing to the industry now?
O3b's innovative MEO constellation brings new lower costs and higher performance to the networks. The satellites are identical, built on an assembly line, which allows us to take advantage of economies of scale, lowering the cost to build and deploy the network. The MEO orbit also reduces delay and improves the performance of all voice and data services, giving customers the best of both worlds. Lower cost services with higher performance at the same time.
So David, what are O3b and Gilat Satellite Networks working on together?
So Vicki, O3b and Gilat are working today on bringing to market a new solution called the MEO Edge solution, which is based on our Accent platform, which basically offers auto switching between TDMA networks and SCPC networks. This helps to bring down costs and increase performance. We also provide a very feature-rich network management system, together with the ability to manage both GEO and MEO systems on one platform.
So David, I know one of the areas that we're working on that we're very excited about is what we can bring for mobile operators. Tell me a little bit about that.
The key thing that O3b offers to mobile operators is reducing their operating costs. They've been able to deploy voice services in rural areas over geosatellites, but the economics of geosatellites don't allow them to deploy 3G data services. By reducing their OpEx, we're able to allow them to deploy sustainable services in these areas. At the same time, O3b's lower latency improves the quality of voice services, increases data rates, and improved interactive services.
So I know that Gilat has a lot of experience working with mobile operators and bringing really great solutions for a long period of time. Tell me about some of that experience, David.
Gilat has significant experience working with mobile operators around the world. To date, we've done approximately 50 projects where we've helped to increase bandwidth efficiency and bring functionality for quality of service to these operators. This is experience garnered in almost a decade of projects that we've done, many of which have been turnkey solutions. Just as an example of where the MEO Edge product or solution would fit in, if we have a mobile operator that has a very large area of service that they want to cover, and in some parts of the area it's more populated, some parts it's more sparsely populated, they're able to use the SCPC transmissions to base stations in the populated areas, whereby they would use the TDMA bursts to less populated areas in one managed solution.
You know, another area that I understand we believe we're going to have some great cooperation is the energy industry. Tell me where you think O3b can bring some real solutions to the energy industry.
O3b's high-speed, low-latency connectivity allows operators to deploy a cloud-based model. Today, many of the operators replicate the headquarters systems out at the remote site, requiring additional equipment and staffing to maintain it. By moving to a cloud-based model, they're able to reduce the expense of the on-site equipment and maintenance and improve staff retention at the same time.
So David, I know that Gilat has been highly successful in the energy industry. What does it take to be successful in that industry?
We've been able to provide solutions that are reliable, offer high performance, and at a cost level that meets the needs of these companies. What's extremely important going forward, especially in the world of cloud computing and applications that are sitting onshore providing support to the offshore rigs, for example, or the welfare applications that are providing entertainment and connectivity to the employees on the rigs themselves, is our lower latency systems that can provide high performance and, once again, on a constant basis to bring down costs.
We've been talking about bringing together powerful, reliable, and innovative solutions with O3b networks and Gilat satellite networks. Join us if you'd like to hear more at Mobile Backhaul Asia, where you'll hear David Burr, Director of Product Development for O3b Networks, and David Leichner, VP of Corporate Marketing for Gilat Satellite Networks at Mobile Backhaul Asia, April 24th and 25th, 2013.